If we concentrate on that one constraint, that moves the most dominoes. If we fix that constraint, the downstream effect in your practice is tremendous. One goal we have in this practice is identify the one constraint that's gonna move the biggest needle in your practice, the most dominoes fall. That's the goal of this room. And then next door, we have our staff room. Our staff room is gonna be going through identity, communication, patient beliefs, how they interact with patients, how they can make a better experience for your patients. So as we're over here working on our constraint and how we're gonna fix our practice and increase the flood of patients coming in our practice, or how we're gonna serve them better in the constraints, our staff is gonna be over there learning how do we serve our patients? How do we have a better mindset? How can we be a member of our practice and have a owner's mindset versus a task doer mindset? And their one goal over there is the 3 belief building improvements that they can bring back to the practice, to you, the owner, and say, these are the things that we learned, and this is how we're gonna evolve our practice coming back to our practice. So we're really excited about this format. This is the first time we've done this format, and we're looking to grow this format so we can have more people at events, learn more things at events, and be able to collaborate and get the doctor and owners and staff all on the same page, in the same room, same building. So when they go back, they're all on fire versus the owner coming back on fire and the staff's like, I don't even know what you're talking about. Who's been there, right? I've done this to our staff as well. I go to a seminar and I'm like, we're gonna do all these great things, and they're not on the same page. So that's the goal of this format for this weekend. So in any business, at any given time, there's one constraint that limits growth more than others. Every business has multiple problems in different areas of their practice. But there is one constraint, if we concentrate on that one constraint, that moves the most dominoes. If we fix that constraint, the downstream effect in your practice is tremendous. If we ignore it and we keep working on the symptoms of constraints, a lot of times we like working on the symptoms of constraints. And we're not aware of that. And I've been guilty of this a lot in our business as well. We gotta find out what's that main thing that's gonna move the biggest needle in our practice.